participate in so many library activities.
Access to computers.
R is for read great books.
L is for librarians who care.
I is for intelligence you can acquire.
N is for noise level that's low. A good thing.
L is for love your library.
I is for interactive programs.
B is for books, books, books.
R is for research your projects.
A is for allotted CDs and DVDs.
R is for reserve your museum pass.